Thank you so much for your wonderful words and for manifesting this beautiful moment in your own life and for us. I didn't get your name.
Adira.
Thanks, Adira, for the beautiful question. This book is first and foremost addressing the issue that there is such an issue that women over 35 are facing worldwide. But nobody talks about it because everybody thinks it is their own personal issue. They think it's a problem that is happening within their body and their mind. Something is going wrong. And they think it's something wrong because there is no awareness about it generally in society. It's not a normalized topic. So the moment you know that this is not a problem, it's a phase of life. Suppose nobody told children that you will go through teenage. They get shocked, right, when their voice starts to change, when their body starts to change. Children will feel traumatized. Instead, we tell them, we celebrate it, right? The coming of age is celebrated in all societies. So that children don't get traumatized that, oh my God, what is happening to me? What is happening to my body? What's happening to my mind? What is happening to my personality? What's happening to my voice? Children could get traumatized, but they don't because we normalize that in society. The same way, women should not have to go through any traumatization of a normal phase of life. Once they know that this is normal, you can decide your career trajectory, your relationship trajectory, your life's path. You can make a better plan for your life if you know what is coming up ahead. And that is the most important factor that the book covers is creation of awareness and normalizing the topic. ഞാനൊരു മലയാളം ഫിലിം ആക്ട്രസ് എന്ന നിലയ്ക്ക് ബീങ് എ മലയാളം ആക്ട്രസ് ഐ തിങ്ക് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ റെസ്പോൺസിബിലിറ്റി ടു ബി എ വോയിസ് for women. That this is a normal stage in women's lives and there are many traumatic situations that can go into if we do not pay attention to it. So once we know the information, now we can take informed choices in our life. And I definitely think those of like me in our midlife, 40, I'm turning 45 this month. So when we say this, people who are now in their late 20s and 30s become aware. And they will not have to go through the same problem at all. It will become a normalized topic in society within 5 to 10 years for sure. So I think we are the torch bearers.